Welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today is Thursday and we are on our way to Lalandia in Bilon. That is like 3 hours from where we live, so we are on our way there.
There'll be a link in the description so you can check it out.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's right. So it is actually like a family vacation place. So it's like a water theme park where there's a lot of swimming pool, obviously there's a lot of activities, water slides and all that. And yeah, so we're gonna be there for 3 days. Martin's family is already there since, oh my god, what was that? That was my cell phone. Anyway, Martin's family is already there since Sunday. Tapos ngayon lang kami pupunta kasi I've just been working. So now I'm free, so we're on our way there. So it's gonna be great. And his family rented a summer house in Lalandia where it will be 8 people supposedly will be there, and it's nice. Then it's gonna be a big space. Pero we are just 5 adults. Actually, we're just 5 adults and 1 kid. So it's gonna be exciting to see the place and to actually enjoy it. So let's see if we can make a tour now on our way to, like, we're gonna have a quick lunch. I'm so hungry. We have not been having breakfast and lunch.
Ska det vara starkt? El Dorado!
I spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on a cliff. But slowly I found purpose and my life became more clear. I found my destination, yeah, but now where do I go from here? 'Cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got a wife, 2 kids, and a picket fence. Everything was hazy, now it's making sense.
That's where we're gonna eat. Yamshi.
Det skulle du have en burger.
Er det det?
Ej, hvor er det gammelt.